It's about to get lit. DJ Mpulo, only on DJ Mpulo.
Jamie Foxx ke khale a bolela ka go nyaka go dira movie wa Iron Mike Tyson go me maloba mo o kgontišitše taba ye ka go phula sekakwe ga bolela gore o tlo bereka bjang ga itukišetša go bapala Mike Tyson yena ka wa gago wa go ja mabele molomo o rile.
But we officially got the real ball rolling, and I can't wait to show those moments of the different Mike. When I called Mike a couple of years ago and said, "Mike, how you doing?" He says, "I'll pray to Allah, my brother. I'm just happy." So why are you happy? I'm just happy because I don't have a crazy amount of money anymore. So don't have any vultures around. So nobody can take anything from me. So I'm just happy. How are you, good brother? And I said, "Ooh, that's the person that we want to show."
Ge a tšwela pele a bolela ka mokgwa a tla ba itšhudulla ka gona o boletše a re
Doing is right now is changing the body. So now what I do every other day, I do 60 pull-ups, 60 dips. We do 100 push-ups. It's changing the body. Once that happens, then we'll start to add on who he is and what he is, just the way he orders his food, what he cares about. And I think that's what'll make the movie go.